here from Unity Stamp Company, sharing with you another fun quick tip video. Today I'm going to be using Winter Blessings, and I'm using the branch from this kit and inking it up with amalgam ink. I'm stamping it on watercolor paper and inking it up multiple times because I want that black to really come through. Taking my distress ink, I'm going to dab it off on my glass mat and come in with my watercolor brush and brush it all over the twigs. I'm going to come in with a second darker green and just kind of go in the middle here, giving it some contrast. Using my vintage distress ink, I'm going to ink up all of my edges to give it a vintage look. I'm going to stamp the sentiment using also the Genie K amalgam ink. I can't stress how much I love this ink. I'm going to take these really fun and festive light bulbs, inking it up a couple times so it's also just as dark as the branches. Going to use my distress markers and scribble them off on my glass mat, and then I'm going to paint them on my watercolor paper just like I did the branch. Going to dip my fan brush inside some white paint, and then I'm going to add splatters like snowflakes all over the front of my card. See? Time for some pussycatting. I'm going to take my string and I'm going to wrap it around the back of my card so they're just dangling, adding some dimension adhesive dots. And there you go. I'm going to put this other light bulb that was also with that kit on the inside of my card, just for a little extra surprise. Stamping on my inside sentiment. And there it is, a really fun Christmas card. Thanks for watching. Bye!